Our mission is to make a garden that improves our school so that we can have access to things that not many of our students have. Our project was to make a garden in our school. Over the course of 6 months, we were at work. Over the weekend on Saturdays, we held meetings to talk about our project, how we will present it to our school, and how much of an effect it would have on our school. On Saturdays, Luna's dad was there to help us build the planters for our flowers and vegetables. The first week, Luna's dad was showing us how to use a saw, power drill, and other handheld tools to make our planters. While we were making planters, we had a lot of fun because we learned how to use tools that we had never used. Power saws, drills, and more. We got our seeds, and now our garden has carrots, herbs, tomatoes, milkweed, with the help of Miss Bredesen, and different trees. We even planted blueberry bushes on the sides of 2 peaceful benches. Overall, our whole experience in GBLA is something special and something we would never forget. We have countless happy moments such as birthday parties and celebrations of milestones we've reached. We hope that future generations of GBLA will find happiness in this group as much as we did. We hope RMMS enjoys the garden for years to come.